Welcome back viewers. Let's continue our SQL series, and now we have to solve one more question on SQL, which is sorting and grouping. Okay, so we have to solve the product sales analysis third. Okay, and it is the question of 1070. There is containing a table sales where is a column name and the type has been given. Column name is sales ID, product ID, year, quantity and the price. Okay, sales ID and year combining is a primary key of this table. Each row of this record of the sales is given here. A product may be multiple sale entry in a same year. You have to write the solution to find all the sales that occurred in a first year each product was sold. For each product identity, identify the earliest year it appears in the sales table. Okay, you have to return all the sales entry for the product in that year. Okay, return the table with the following column, which is product ID, first year, quantity and the price. You have to return result in any order. So here is given a sales table and the output is given here. Okay, so the sales table is sales ID, product ID, year, quantity and the price. Okay, the sales ID is 127 and the product ID is given 100, 100 and 200. Year is given 208, 209 and 211. Okay, so you have to write the solution to find the product ID, first year, quantity and the price. Okay, so let's write the code here. First you have to select only column that you want to print. So I want to print the product ID. Select product ID, comma year as first year. Okay, first year, comma quantity, price. Okay, comma price, and you have to select it from the sales table. Okay, sales table where you have to use the product ID, comma year, and then you have to write the select product ID, comma min, year as f year from sales. Okay, and then you just have to do group by. You just have to use group by with product ID. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.